Welcome to the world of budgeting, a roadmap to financial freedom and peace of mind. But how do you create and stick to a budget? Let's break it down. Step 1. Know your income and expenses. Start by listing all sources of income, including paychecks, freelance work, and any other earnings. Then track your expenses, every dollar spent, from bills to groceries to entertainment. Step 2. Set clear goals. What do you want to achieve with your budget? Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Having specific goals will help keep you motivated and focused. Step 3. Allocate your money wisely. Once you know how much you're bringing in and where that money's going, it's time to create a spending plan. Divide your income into categories like necessities, saving, discretionary spending. Make sure you're prioritizing your goals. Step 4. Track your progress and adjust as needed. Budgeting is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It requires regular attention and tweaking. Review your budget regularly to see how you're doing, and don't be afraid to make changes to stay on track. Creating and sticking to a budget is all about awareness, intentionality, and flexibility. With the right mindset and tools, you can take control of your finances and work towards a brighter financial future.